Traveling the world digitally. Exploring Google Earth and virtual tours just by using your eyes. Bonjour, dear explorers. Ready to travel the world without leaving your comfy chair? Buckle up. Welcome to Google Earth. It's like having the world at your fingertips. Let's start our journey from the pyramids of Egypt to your childhood home. It's simple. Go to google.com in your browser. Type a location, like Great Wall of China, and watch as the globe spins to take you there. Feel like a bird soaring over new terrains. But that's not all. Museums and historical sites. They all offer virtual tours now. Just like a personal tour guide. But in your pajamas. For a more immersive experience. Some tours even offer VR or virtual reality options. Dive into the oceans. Or float in space. The choice is yours. The best part? No packing. No jet lag. Travel at your pace. Pause to sip your tea, and venture forth when ready. Our digital trip ends here for today. But the world awaits you. Until next time, happy exploring.